We can, of course, adjust the column width manually or by using AutoFit, but this may take up unnecessary space on your spreadsheet if the data field in the column doesn't need that much space. Let's demonstrate this with an example. Say we wanted to add another column for employee tenure. The data entered in this column will be very short as the numbers won't exceed double digits. So let's just input some numbers here. Now, if we were to adjust the width of column F to make the title fit, the column would become unnecessarily wide with lots of space wasted. Luckily, there's a fast fix for this. Let's just undo the changes we just made first. Okay, now when text is cut off or overruns, we can apply the Wrap Text feature. This is the Wrap Text icon. Wrap Text adjusts the text in a cell so that it fits within the cell by adjusting column height where necessary, but without adjusting the column width. Wrapping the text in row 1 fixes our text cutoff and overrunning issue. But do you notice how the titles are no longer aligned in terms of the position of the text in each cell? We can make our spreadsheet look even better by adjusting the cell alignment. Cell alignment can be modified using the alignment icons in the ribbon. We can format cells in terms of both horizontal and vertical alignment. Horizontal alignment allows us to choose if text should be left aligned, center aligned, or right aligned, while vertical alignment options allow us to choose whether text should be aligned at the top, center, or bottom of the cell. So if we look at the first row of our spreadsheet, our text is left aligned and bottom aligned, which are the default text alignments in Excel. But it would be ideal if our column headings are centered, as it would look much neater. We can do this pretty easily. Just select row 1 again, and then center your text horizontally, followed by vertically. And it's much better now. Let's practice this once more by centering the Employee ID column. So highlight column A and then center text. Now, because we had highlighted the entire column before formatting, the formatting applies to the empty cells in column A as well, at the bottom. This is helpful because if we add another row of data, the Employee ID cell value will automatically be centered in line with the rows above. This would not be the case if we had only highlighted the cells containing data before formatting. Another alignment formatting option within Excel is to merge cells together. Say we want to give this spreadsheet a title. Let's add a row and type Food to Go Employee List in what is now our new cell A1. We can see this text is spilling over into cell B1. If we wrap the text, it will fit our title into cell A1 by adjusting the cell height but not width, like this. But what if we don't want to squeeze all the text into the space of one cell, yet we want to maintain the column width for the table below? In this case, we can use the merge function. Merging allows us to combine cells that are next to each other into one big cell. So if we want our title to span row 1, columns A to F, we just need to highlight these cells and click Merge and Center. This is the default merge option displayed in Excel 2016. It will merge your cells and center your text horizontally within the new big cell. Then you can apply vertical alignment as you wish. Alright, something you must keep in mind when merging cells containing multiple data is that the merge function will only keep the data in the top left cell and discard all other data. Now, if you want to unmerge cells at any point, just highlight the merged cells and click on Merge and Center again, and your cells will unmerge. Similarly, to unwrap previously wrapped text, we can highlight the affected cells and click on Wrap Text to unwrap. Hope you're following so far. There are just a few more basic formatting styles we should cover that will serve us well when working in Excel.